Alright, so this the deal. Dryer is super dirty. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all in a minute. It's super dirty and it's starting to dry super slow. So I'm gonna show y'all what to do about that. To be cleaned up. Can you see water on the floor? It just leaks out. Reason that towel always there. Okay, now it's time to take it outside. First step, unplug it. Move the pillow. Stand baby that up. Okay. Try to move it. Ah. I thought I was done cleaning it up. Wow. This freaking dry. Look at this crap. You know what? I'm cleaning up first. So cute. And y'all want these boots? I send them to you. They're $5. Get the weedy baby shoes. Got one case wish, in case you're missing one. Anybody want the baby shoes? Hit me up. You can have. What kind of circulating was that doing? That's horrible. None at all. Mickey Mouse. I am not gonna fall on camera. If I do fall, y'all gotta subscribe. I'm not gonna do it on purpose either. Cause that's not me. BJ, I swear he disappeared every time we start working on something. Did it by myself. Y'all come with me. Now I said it like this because I don't want to have to tip it back over. This way, I just pick it up and roll on out. And that what you can talk about. I think do it. Maybe gonna make this sound. That's actually the wrong way to come out. But it worked. Okay. Well, that just happened. I'm by myself. Come on. I'll make mistakes, but look. Subscribe to the channel if that made you laugh. Like the video if it didn't. Got it coming out right now. Unplug the wire. We pause the video right there. So I did get hot. I did have to chill. So I made TikToks. Enjoy.
Listen, it is hot. Do not walk near me. Don't talk to me. Don't ask me no questions. Nothing. It's hot.
Must be nice working in the fucking air, fucking bitch.
You ain't seen nothing yet. I was able to pop these little caps off to get in there. It's fairly clean, but I mean, only way to clean that is to get some water, bro, through it. Some water, not no water, air. As you heard, I stumbled over my words. Don't use water. Compressed air to be exact. All right, now here's where we at. Where we are at. Drop in the comments below if you also thought I was not going to be able to put this back together. So there's everything that came out of it. It started raining, so I just had to stop filming. But there it is. I'm going to go ahead and apologize right now for my nieces in the background. They're having a time of their lives.
Let's go in there.
Once she starts steaming, I'll come right back.
Who wants some ice cream?
As hot as it was out there, I wouldn't mind some of that. Who thought I couldn't put it back together? Seriously, drop a comment if you doubt it.